How are we doing, everybody, and welcome back to the Catalyst, where we break down all things bullish in the crypto markets. Today, another outlook on the rest of the year. Today we are talking about Polkadot. This pattern, you'll see, looks quite familiar to what we posted yesterday about Chainlink. We have this giant descending channel here off of the top out that we had kind of in that last big run up, and we have now since broke that. So same exact kind of sentiment and comments about Polkadot going into this. Our targets are going to be these little zones here where we saw a big pullback up that creates this horizontal zone as a new point to test. So you see that kind of here, another kind of top out there, one at the top obviously, and then one here where we came down, came back up a bit, and that's where that one flattened out there. So those are all now moments where we're looking to break that resistance and then flip it into support. So what we're seeing here is we have finally come down, seemingly reached some sort of bottom here, which would have been a great buy point at about $23 or so. From there we broke the downward trend that we have here, and now we are testing this previous level. So it's literally playing out exactly like Chainlink. We tested that, hit our head, had some resistance, came back down, immediately are starting to recover. Now what we're looking to do is potentially break this, or maybe test it one more time. So we have two higher lows right now, creating this support down here. It would be nice to get a third, but it's not totally necessary. Either way, a third is only about at $28 or so if that were to happen. And then that would potentially, if we break to the upside, be really, really beneficial for us here, because then we could start to see a big breakout upwards up into this range here. The other thing that's seemingly, possible is the whole market has kind of started to form this. And we had even commented in the past about a cup and handle pattern where the market was doing one of these and we had a cup and handle, and that seemed to play out. There's potential that this could be like some bigger form of a cup and handle, right, where we have a cup and a giant handle there. That doesn't seem too accurate, but you can at least see the appearance of it there. Potentially even to like a larger head and shoulders pattern maybe playing out here. Like if this is a shoulder, that could be a head, there could be another shoulder maybe, who knows. We'll see what kind of happens there in those longer time frames. But ultimately, this is kind of what I'm interested right now. There's gains to be made now, and in the next few weeks or so, I think we're going to see some big rallies. We are nearing a cross here, a golden cross of our 20 EMA, about to cross the 50. If we continue to hold support here, that should happen. And obviously, if we get above this, it should happen as well. So I kind of see that happening. It'd be good for us to come up in here, accumulate once more, continue to find support along this trend line, similar to basically what we did here, right? We want more or less that type of pattern to play out, and that'd be obviously great for us because we would be able to, cap out much higher this time. I think there's potentially a lot more momentum now going into an entire new year, right? So that'd be really, really huge for crypto in general. I think that would be the move for us with Polkadot. So let me know what you guys think about this pattern. I think we are in a critical moment here, and it's looking quite bullish. I think we have flipped this resistance, and we are heading towards some green days, it seems. So let me know what you guys think about that, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.